In this video, I'll be showing you how to install deleted apps on Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to do, and you can do it on any Android phone, whether you're on Samsung or Huawei, anything like that. All you want to do is go over to your Google Play Store. And then what you want to do is on the top right, click your profile icon, and then you're going to see Manage Apps and Devices as one of the options. Go over to that. Then on the top right, you're going to see Manage, click on that. And then it's going to show you all apps currently on this device. So what you want to do is press the This Device button and then press Not Installed. It's now going to show you every single application that you've previously installed but is now deleted. And then you can literally just go ahead and select whichever one you want and then re-download it if you want to. So for example, I could scroll through. Let's say I wanted to go ahead and download Apex Legends Mobile. All I got to do is go ahead and check mark this. We'll click on it and then I can press install right there. And you can do that with any applications that you previously installed. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.